Hi, this is Dan Plummer, and I chose to make this pretty basic presentation for my reflection of the first week of web programming fundamentals. I thought the hardest thing this week was definitely time management. It's the first time during full sail that I've had to take two classes at the same time, and I found it to be a little bit more difficult to balance all the schoolwork, my job, and my free time, and especially since this class seems to be more challenging than the previous classes that I've taken. I thought one of the easier things was setting up the repositories. I chose to use um, SourceTree as my graphic user interface, and I thought it was pretty straightforward when it came to staging, committing, and pushing all this stuff up to GitHub. And I think both of these are very going to be very useful tools in the future when it comes to writing code and keeping track of all your updates and stuff like that. Next thing is flowcharts. I've never really made a flowchart before this class, but I like the idea of having a visual overview of a task or procedure, whether it be very simple or complex. Now, this example here isn't the one that I use for class. I just found it online, but this is about as basic as it gets. But I think this flowcharts could be very useful in the future. Next thing is problem solving. I found this assignment somewhat difficult and time consuming. I'm not really used to breaking down problems into the 5 steps. Although the 5 steps were pretty straightforward, I usually just, when I have a problem, pick one solution and go for it instead of taking a step back and going through the 5 steps. Next week, overall, I need to basically just work on my time management so I'm not rushing on the last minute on the date that our assignments are due for this class and my other class.